how to convert USDC to USDT on Binance. In order to do that, you may follow up these methods. So for that, you may open up Binance application on your screen, and from the given interface, tap on the profile or the Binance icon at the top left corner. Go ahead and tap on it. Now once you tap on it, a menu appears. Now from the given menu, you may select the option called More Services. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you may scroll down until you reach over to the trade section. And from the trade section, you need to select the option called Convert. Go ahead and tap on it. And then after you tap on it, here you will be finding this From and To section. Now in the From section, you may drop it down and select the option called USDT. Likewise, in the To section, you may drop it down and select the option called USDT. Once you do that, you will be finding this. Now all you gotta do is simply enter up the value that you would like to convert. Go ahead and enter up the value. And once you enter up the value, you will be getting the results of the conversion. For example, if we have entered 1000 USDC, it will be converted into 998.35 USDT. So that is how you basically convert your USDC to USDT on Binance. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.